This week, I finally decided that it was definitely time I get back down to the basement and start working on my DIY room again. I've pretty much been neglecting this ever since before the holidays. As you can see, my lens is still taken apart from the lens video. There's piles of stuff everywhere. I never finished painting this white wall, and the whole other end of the room is just an absolute chaos. And I think this is the reason why I have been not wanting to come down here, so I figured the only way to get my motivation back for this project is to start cleaning it up properly. In an attempt to avoid what's happening over on that far side of the room for as long as I possibly can, I'm going to start with these pieces of drywall and see if I can move them somewhere else in the basement. Extremely weak, but I have lifted this box before, but I've been able to get my fingers underneath of it to grab it, but like I literally can't get it off the ground enough to get my fingers in it. Like, I can't, how the heck? Oh, shoot. I also can't lift this because this is a 66-pound bag of concrete mix. So, I don't even know if I can push it. Sometimes I'm not as strong and independent as I wish I was. But I literally can't get my hands around this box enough to lift it. Why? Stand there, I guess. So I'm thinking for this table, I didn't really want it in here to start with because I'm not a huge fan of how it looks. Maybe eventually we can DIY it and make it look a little bit better, maybe to match the desk over there or something. But for now, I think I'm gonna take it out of the room and maybe try and stash it beside the washer and dryer because there's like a little tiny square space over there that I can squeeze this in, I hope. The little table is just gonna live down here in this grungy little hole for now. Chunk of the wall in a very, very long time. Not that it's something that you really want to be looking at, but it's progress. Now I'm gonna have to start working on these dreaded boxes. And I've been dreading this for a long time because I know there's gonna be a lot of spiders in there. It is a new day, and we are spending Saturday night working on home projects. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and move the rest of this junk, and then we're gonna do fun stuff. We're gonna do a montage because I think I feel like listening to music.
Sleep while veins run dry on melody. I see. I'm blinded by this concrete. And I should call you, see what you've been up to. I've been wondering, how far did you go in 7 months? I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am alone.
I have literally been dreading cleaning that spot off since the day I started redoing this room in September. And I feel like it's part of the reason why it's taken me so long to do this room, because I have been not wanting to touch that literal pile of trash because I knew there was going to be spiders in it, which there were. There were a couple doozies in there, not gonna lie. But it feels really freaking good to finally just get that out of the way. There's some areas that I don't really know how we're gonna do yet. Like that weird little spot in the wall over there where a wire comes out. I'm not really sure what to do about that. Also, there's 4 outlets in a row over there. I don't know if that's normal, but it just seems excessive to me. I think I'm gonna swiffer that down because it's really dusty.
Without you.
Okay, so guaranteed, this is probably not how I'm supposed to be fixing this, but this is how I'm gonna fix this. Oh, that went well, didn't it? Never said I was a professional, guys. So I used my whole tube of putty on this, but it doesn't look terrible. It could definitely look better. It's a work in progress for sure. And I'm just gonna let this dry because it's pretty thick, and guaranteed when it dries it's gonna be full of cracks and stuff, and it's not 100% like smooth, it still indents a bit. So I'm gonna let that dry and then hopefully get another tube and do another round.
Go in 7 months. I bet you're happy and don't think that much about me. Here I am not knowing.